ComfyUI, Automatic1111, and Fooocus are three platforms for AI image generation using Stable Diffusion. Each targets a different skill level and offers distinct trade-offs between control, ease of use, and performance. This comparison outlines their core differences and ideal use cases. Overview of each platform. ComfyUI is an advanced visual workflow system where users build image generation steps using connected nodes. It offers full control over every aspect of the generation process and is considered the most flexible option. Automatic1111, often written as a 1111, is a classic all-in-one web interface for Stable Diffusion. It provides most features in one place, including sliders, extensions, and settings. Offering strong editing control with ready-made tools, Fooocus is a beginner-friendly, simple tool that removes almost all technical settings and focuses on quick, out-of-the-box results. It is designed for users who want speed and simplicity over customization. Analogy for understanding: think of it this way. ComfyUI is like Photoshop, plus coding users can design their own full AI workflows. Automatic1111 is like Photoshop's strong editing control with ready-made tools. Fooocus is like Canvas beats simplicity and ready-to-use results. Key comparison points. Ease of use. Fooocus is the easiest, requiring almost no configuration and working out of the box. Automatic1111 is medium difficulty, with settings, extensions, and options that need to be understood. ComfyUI is the hardest. Using a node-based system where users connect different steps visually to build workflows, power, and control, ComfyUI provides full control over every step of image generation, from prompts to sampling and model flow, making it the most flexible. Automatic1111 is also very powerful with many built-in features, sliders, and extensions. Fooocus has limited control because it focuses on simplicity rather than customization. Performance. ComfyUI is the fastest and most efficient, using optimized node execution and lower VRAM usage. Fooocus performs decently, being optimized for simplicity and stable outputs. Automatic1111 can become slower when running heavy models or multiple extensions simultaneously. Features and extensions. Automatic1111 has the largest extension ecosystem, with thousands of plugins for styles, upscaling control tools, and more. ComfyUI offers powerful custom nodes for building advanced AI pipelines. Fooocus has limited features, avoiding complexity and focusing only on core generation. Target users. Fooocus is best for beginners who want quick images without learning technical settings. Automatic1111 is best for intermediate users who want both control and ease of use. ComfyUI is best for advanced users, professionals, and developers who want full workflow control. Overall recommendations. The overall winner for performance, control, and future-proofing is ComfyUI, but only for users willing to learn it properly. The best all-rounder is Automatic1111 because it has a huge community, tons of features, and is much easier than ComfyUI, making it the safest and most balanced choice. The best for beginners is Fooocus because it has the easiest setup, requires no technical knowledge, and gives fast results, though it is limited for long-term advanced use. Choose Fooocus if you are a complete beginner and want quick results. Choose Automatic1111 if you want a balance of features and ease of use and plan to learn gradually. Choose ComfyUI if you want full control, are serious about AI workflows, and want to work at a professional or advanced level. The choice depends entirely on your skill level and the complexity of your image generation needs.